When I shared the first video on how to add color to your popcorn using oven method, a lot of us wanted to see how they can add color to their popcorn without using an oven. So today I'm going to show you. Hello, creative bangers. Let's banger this one together. All right, now on the previous video, one of the most comments that I received was, Lady C, is there a particular corn that is meant for popcorn? Yes, there is a particular corn for popcorn. You can use all corns to make popcorn. In here, I have two different kinds of corn. The one on the orange color is the one on my palm right now. It is bigger in size. This is the type of corn that you can use to make cornstarch, pap, ogi, or akamo. All right. Now, this type of corn, you can use it for popcorn. If you use it for popcorn, it will not pop. Okay. This is a regular corn. Okay. You can use it for popcorn. Coming to the one on the blue cup, the Chelsea fans, are you here? The Blues. This is the right corn for your popcorn. You can always get this at any baking shop around you. You can get this at shopping malls or supermarket. Now, when you take a look at it very well, you will see that it is more tinier than the first one that I showed you. Also very shiny in texture. I don't know if you are getting me, okay? This is the one that you can use for your popcorn. You don't use any other kind of corn apart from this particular one. So when you get to shopping mall or any baking shop, ask them for corn meant for popcorn. They will sell it to you. So what I'm doing here is to measure to know the quantity that I will be using. Don't worry, the list of the ingredients used will be at the description box, also at the comment section. Next is to assemble the rest of the ingredients before we start making the popcorn. We'll be adding sugar, butter, oil, and edible food color. The food color that I'm using is the same that you use for your fondant or buttercream when decorating a cake. All right, let's begin. In a dry clean pot, moving with the corns. It is also known as kernels, okay? Now, one of my secrets when making popcorn is to make sure that all the corns are sitting on the pot, as you can see. No one is sitting on top of each other, okay? Now, I added the butter or margarine. You can also use margarine, yeah. Then I move in with the oil. Next is to allow the margarine to melt, okay? Once the margarine melts, I move in with the edible food color. Go ahead and stir. Now, at this point, I noticed that the color wasn't enough. I'm going to add more color, okay? Now, once I add the color, I am going to stir. The color is obvious right now, as you can see. All right, now you are going to allow the corn to start popping, okay? Remember, I have not added sugar yet, okay? Now, once about 4 or 5 pop at the same time, it is time to cover the pot and allow the corns to start popping. Now, if your lid has an opening just like mine, please try to cover it, as you can see on the video, okay? Now, after about 5 to 10 seconds of popping, I am going to quickly open the pot and move in with the sugar. Please, you are going to do this as quickly as possible you can. Once you add the sugar, go ahead and shake the pot properly. Okay, very important. Even those that are using machine to do this, they keep on turning the machine. So you need to shake the pot from time to time. Okay, now I'm going to shake the pot again for the second time. I will also shake it for the third time. Very, very important. This will also prevent the corns from burning. Okay, now once you notice that they are no longer popping, it is ready. Open the pot and there you have it. We just delivered again without being pregnant. Look at that. Very simple and easy. I'm sure with this simple method, you can now make colored popcorn, any color at all, at the very comfort of your home. Now, we are going to figure out the ones that got burnt, okay? It was just few, about 4 pieces got burnt, okay? This was because I was shaking the pot. If you don't shake it, they can easily burn. And that is basically all for this particular recipe. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. For extra sweetness, I am going to add more sugar and powdered milk. It is totally optional. Go ahead, mix and combine very well, then go and marry with your loved ones. Look at that. Me, I am killing it right here. I love popcorn. Look at that. It looks so good. I'm loving it. Will you be trying this? Let me know at the comment section. Go ahead and secure it immediately because popcorn can easily attract air, and when they attract air, they will get softened. You won't enjoy it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.